Presentation video. Aprendiz Alexandra Quiroga Sánchez. Maria Lenay. She is my niece and the one of my favorite people. Marian is 4 years old. Marian had straight brown hair with lined her face the round and her skin is rose and smooth like a rose petal. He has very expression, big eyes, and an always smiling mouth. She is cheerful, intelligent, and creates love to have pictures taken on the face make. Marian loves to sing and dance. She is always attracting attention. Marian is the host of the house. Thank you.